Question number 28. A neutron collides head-on with a stationary atom. So this is your neutron. This is your stationary atom. Okay. In the moderator of a nuclear power station, the kinetic energy of the neutron changes as a result. So what are you doing? You are putting a radioactive nucleus. You are making a neutron to go and collide with it. So it's induced radioactivity, which means you want to make this neutron to be captured by this atom and hence becomes unstable. Okay. There's also a change in the probability that this neutron can cause nuclear fission. Fission means what? You're going to break them, right? What are these changes? Change in kinetic energy. Now let us say it has an initial velocity v here. It goes and hits over here. Let us say it gets captured, or maybe it just hits it and then falls away here. What happens to the velocity of this? Some amount of the energy is being absorbed by this atom. When some amount of energy is absorbed, let us say this initially has 100 joules. I'm just giving some numbers. Okay, let us say this absorbs 20 joules over here. What is left out here? 80 joules over here. Which means what has happened to the kinetic energy of the neutron? Kinetic energy of the neutron has decreased, right? So therefore these two are incorrect. So it can be B or T. Okay, now let us look at the atom. Now when you have an atom and this is absorb some energy, what will happen to the atom? Atom, there is a probability. What do you mean by probability? There is a chance. There is a chance that this might undergo a fission. I cannot say this will definitely break into parts. Okay, it is something like you have a big stone and you have a smaller stone. You hit this, right? When you hit it across, there is a possibility that this stone can break. There is also a possibility stone may not break. That's the reason why he has used the term probability here, right? So therefore stone may break. So or it can increase the probability. If you do not hit it, what happens? It may not have a chance of breaking it up. So therefore you say it may increase the probability of fission. So therefore which is the right option? So B is the right option over here. Okay, let us move on to the next one.